One's favorite collections are very demanded and favorite collections. These are beautiful, lovely collections of the nighties. These nighties are very pretty. 100% cotton nighties where you can see here. So manufacturers also giving according to this summer collections. I brought for you the latest collections. So friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to KCD Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. So I've showed you the highlights which are today I'm going to talk about the 100% cotton nighties collections, and in that cotton nighties only designer neck based nighties which are fancy, stylish and casual, and sizes, varieties, no doubts in that. Wholesale price around 210, 220, 250 rupees. You can buy at factory price. Keep watching this video. Nighties and nightwear retailers quickly add into your business to make your customers happy. If you want to know the actual price, please take a screenshot and contact our online team. You can do video calling purchase, live purchase at the shop. Shop operates 9:30 to evening 8:30. Let's have a look the beautiful varieties. If I talk about the collections, here you are watching here the pattern which is very pretty with the light color. This is the very light color. You can see here the light V-neck pattern, satin highlight which has thread been highlighted, and two button layer which has given here, very pretty of the floral print with the peach color combination with the onion shade. In this you have all the sizes of the varieties. If I talk about the next pattern, this is very pretty of the dark maroon with the half moon shade, which is a covered zip nightie, which is for the mothers feeding nighties. The long zip you can see here, and the very pretty. The length is also very comfortable to sit and work in the kitchen. Very even all the women with the personality, even they're fat or slim, we have all the sizes. If I talk about the quality, no doubt in that. This is a very pretty, which is only embroidering neck pattern base. These nighties you can see, your friends, these are only manufacturers are giving you worldwide. It comes from the manufacturers near to the dealers, shop, retailers. You can directly contact and buy at factory price. You can purchase, you can share with your friends, with your relatives, even in your family also. With the color, different colors and different sizes also you can purchase. This is a very pretty with the only white base, which is a very royal and rich look with the military green color, unique floral printed. This is also very pretty of the 3 layers buttons you can see here. In this also white base colors, we have a different unique designs for all the skin tone people on the different taste. The manufacturers are providing you unique latest collections. The light dusky colors also, we have a dark grey color, the mud color with the light yellow shade with the beautiful leaf pattern, and here is also zip, and here you can see the grey color with the black color combination of the embroidering neck base nightie. So n number of nighties collections you can see here. Simple sober, which is a waves type, which is a multi-color, black and maroon you can see here, and there is a beautiful the highlight which has been in this the neck pattern. You can see here the 3 layer button. In this also you have a beautiful nighties in this. So all are very pretty latest collections. Only manufacturers are giving you season to season, fast moving based on the ratio of the sales. The collections are getting manufactured and reaching to the retailers. If you want to tie up and start the only nighties and nightwear business, people, you can easily contact our manufacturers. The numbers are on the screen. And for this embroidering, where the only fabric which gives a royal and rich look color, heavy thick highlighted with the designer mini v-neck pattern, the dark wine color combination. In this also you have a beautiful color chart. You can easily contact our online team quickly before getting out of stock. You can add into your business. Why? Because these collections within a moment, once it comes from the factory, it gets out of stock. And nighties are heavy demanded worldwide. The nighties are getting export to the countries also. And the next pattern, which is a light mehendi color with the white bold floral based, which is a semi base, which is highlighted on the neck pattern, covered neck pattern. And this also you have all the color charts. If I talk about the dark contrasted lightweight cotton, the dark brinjal color, see, very pretty. Dark purple also I can say, which is the only color combination of the black which is highlighted in the neck pattern, which is the only thread work. This is a sharp v-neck pattern is given here. These all nighties you can contact every single pattern with the sizes, color chart, everything you can purchase. If I talk about the latest collections, I have different. In this you can see a KTC logo and the barcode, where how many colors you have, a 6 colors, 4 colors, 3 colors, everything it is mentioned and it is getting packed over here. Once it is coming, before it is, there is a logo with the bar scanner code, and it is easily the identify, the code is giving to the every single product to purchase by COD, by doing video calling purchase only by taking a WhatsApp, and you can contact online. Online purchase is very easy, and easily we are providing you so many multiple benefits, even live purchase, visit purchase, and video calling purchase, online purchase, pan India COD options are there, worldwide shipping, transport is all there. No need to worry about this collection. So if you really liked it, go ahead for this cotton designer nighties, add into your customer, add into your business to make your customers happy. Huge profit business. There is no season for the nighties. It is always demanded in the market. So for the more information, numbers are on the screen. Please contact online team. And for the more information, please let me know in the comment box from which city you're watching the video and what kind of collections you are looking for. So you can also tag, you can also comment. So I will create the videos. Keep supporting me. Share the link with your friends, relatives, with everyone, and subscribe the channel. Next video will meet up soon, friends. Till then, take care. Bye bye.